everyone, Scotty Carter here, CEO of MobiFirst. Going to show you how you can have your first site up in just under 5 minutes. Let's go right to it. Let's go right into create a new site. We're going to always want to use a wizard until you get really an expert at this and you don't even need the wizard. Let's get an opt-in form. Pick this one. Preview it. Lots of information since I can control, edit whole template for site. Name it. Now we're just going to go in and we're going to be able to edit everything in real time. So we'll go right here into forms. Now all the widgets will pop up that this template has. Now I can simply go in and edit them. First one will be the header. Let's go right over to header. Let's go ahead and say we like that background. If not, global media library. I can also take a picture, drag it over, drop it into as well, and simply upload it. And it'll upload in the background. And now I'm going to have two. Put this one off. Real simple to do. Continue on down. That's how I like it. Forms. Pasting it in. Right to the middle. Like that. Excellent. Perfect. Liking the way it's starting to look. Everything. I don't need to do any more additional information. Save it. Start putting something together. Now we're starting to see the contact information that I have. Well, we can choose what is shown on each device. Phone, I'm going to want that to be mobile only. Let's go right over to that. Let's go ahead and edit this section. I'll show you what the power we have right in here. So number one, let's go ahead and turn on an autoresponder. If you want to capture these leads, let's go ahead and do that. Thank you. If you really want to be fast, you have everything all ready. Email address. You just copy it and paste it, especially if you're building for somebody. We know that they are actually going to have that from your name. Thank you. Let's name who they're from. Name. Excellent. We will be in touch shortly. Keep everything all uniformed. Copy. Excellent. Down. Additional options. Now we're going to want to make this mobile only. So you'll see here, it's right here. This is going to continue to be mobile only. We're going to make sure it's mobile only. Let me now show you what I just did. Let's go view it in the full screen. You'll see the contact form here. But as you'll see over in here, email and phone. Excellent. You're starting to piece this together and you're starting to see what you can actually do with this platform. So that's excellent. So now we're going over here, we're going to want to make this desktop only. Go down here. All the information I have is what I need. I can turn on my autoresponder here too as well. I'll allow you to do that. We're going to have desktop. Save it. Over to our form. It's right in here. We got desktop only form stays put. Go over here. See how it looks here. Now we have our mobile one. That is it. You would now just have your first site up in under 5 minutes. If you now want to change the way that this looks, we just go right over here into style. I'm going to go now pick a theme, and I can now change how I want this to look. Let's go here. We'll save and update it. And you will start to see how the form has changed. See how it's changed? We just did that in a really fast time. Lightning speed. You see how everything has changed on the form. You can now go in and change the edit, put a good picture back in there, however you want. You want to see how it looks in a different one. Let's go over here. Let's change it. As it comes in, we're going to save and update it. You're talking lightning fast. Not only do we load fast on all platforms, you also see how fast our actual platform is to build anything. That is putting a MobiFirst site in the power of your hand. Thank you so much. Under 5 minutes, I have a site up.